Pang naman yun? Sus, asa na nagpapal yun?
Kaya tabora model.
Hi guys! Yes, Long ang day na, di ba na? Long on.
Bitches.
Fuckers. Uli! Uli! Mga bata! Agoy! Agoy! Agoy!
Ito na hari. Patayin sa agon!
Tumahimik ka! Amihan! Nasa ang iyong brilyante? Si Perena kay Red. O gani, Perena gani siya. Huko ka siya naman yan sa tingin. Ang lawa, di mo tayo
Ma.
Who assumed leadership roles?
For me, Miss Cara Canyalita.
Okay. What were the behaviors that showed leadership?
The way she cares of us. Cara Canyalita.
Okay. How did the group respond to these behaviors?
Kung sa rayang isulti, amo rin sa siyang i-obey.
Did the leader role shift to other people during the activity?
Yes, take on. Trisha May Termis and Jen Briner Coma.
Was it difficult to assume a leadership role with this group?
No, because cooperate siya ang tanan.
How were group decisions made during the activity?
Because of cooperation and teamwork.
Did the group arrive at its decisions? Through group consensus or through one or several individuals?
Through group consensus.
What is the best way for this group to make decision?
Magsinabtanay.
How are you different from some of the other in that group?
Kuan, para na ko, kalayan ako nila kay mas na-appreciate na ko ang nature kaysa nila.
How do these differences strengthen the group as a whole?
Respect na mo ang mga differences sa among ka-group, like na may asthmatic na mo sa among group, mo stop jud me para mo pahuway.
In what cases did being different help or hinder group members from reaching the objectives?
Being different sa group kay if ever nga mana ko nga stop sa kay gasakit baron akong koan, like sakit na kong paalin ako, mo respect ra sad sila sa akong decision and nakita sa jud nako sa team sa among team nga naa jud may teamwork and naapod sila concern sa among mga health.
How are you similar to others in the group?
Kami tanan first time naman nag-sleep over sa lain nga balay, and then kanang kami tanan is nagpakita og kanang cooperation.
Did other common traits help or hinder the group from achieving this task?
No, wa siya nakahinder. Pero nakita namang among teamwork.
Give specific examples of group cooperation.
Katorang ang maguna mahuwat sila sa katong kaiwit niya iniga para matapok tanan ni man tapok lakaw dayon para madungan ang tanan.
What are the rewards of cooperation?
Na-achieve yun namang ang goal na maka-anime sa Magdook.
What are the problems associated with cooperation?
Like kanang gikapoy nako, but I need to apas nila kay para dili may magdugay, nya di may maptan og init. Nya makauli mig sayo.
How did cooperation behavior lead to successfully completing the activity?
Cooperation behavior can lead to the completion of the activity by making the people compliance with each other, and through that we achieve efficiency and efficacy in our doings.
Give examples of when you trusted someone in the group.
Sa kani nga group, dili jud talan ani nga members kay suod ako. Na jud isa ka person nga masultian ako sa akong gibatip. Like paras ganiha si Angeli gingnan ako nga. Ikapoy na ko.
It's easier to trust some people and not others. Explain.
If you really want to trust someone, then you need to take a risk even though that someone is not even though you are not sure if that someone is really trusted.
Increase your level of trust for someone.
By observing her actions. If she is very trusted person, then he will not vulgar my my secrets and concerns. And if she will like give me tambag, then he is that is where my trust increase.
What did you learn about yourself?
I learned about myself in regards to this recreational activities is to have kanang perseverance and dedication and be optimistic.
What did you learn about others?
I learned about others is to kanang to have teamwork and kanang pag give og care sa imuhang kauban kay naa kay kauban nga kanang murag kanang kuan silang health gani.
How do you feel about yourself and others?
I feel about myself and others is that I'm so kanang proud of us kay lagi na achieve na mo ni nga recreational activities and kanang I consider this as very memorable, like this will stay forever in my heart.
What did you do today that you are proud of?
Nimataog sayo and then kanang nakaabot ko ani like ingon ani ka layo nga gilakon.
How can you use what you learn in life situations?
To not give up and to have perseverance and dedication in everything you do.
What beliefs about yourself and others were enforced today?
Like for example, perseverance. Like bisag gikapoy nako, gikapoy naming tanan, gi-persevere gihapon namo nga kanang makaabot mi sa Mount Magdook. Balik ka babe, mo siya kasabot.
Give specific examples of group cooperation. Na.
May wiggle or siya sa iyong tail.
Oh, very good. Okay.